Okay, I've cut some hair. Just a little head that I'm using, and I have put in my outline of where I'm going to have hair on this head. So I'll fill in here across, I'll fill in across here with bangs, and I won't go below this right here. Probably fill in most of this. If my animal creature creation, I don't know, if my stuffy is going to be wearing a hat, I will put the hat on, at least pin it on, if not sew or glue it on. If it's for a littler guy, you want to be sure and sew it on really tight. So I'll put the hat on, and then put hair around the hat. Putting the hat on saves you some yarn and some work, because getting in here to get a full head of hair gets a little tricky. I've actually never done it, so I'm not going to be showing you how to do that. But so I have outlined where I would put hair. I'm using a smaller crochet hook than the hook that I used to actually make the piece, to make the head. Okay, so I have the crochet hook pointing up, just like the top of the head points up. I get my little strand of hair, I fold it in half, and put it on the hook. I'm going to pull it through just part way. Then we're going to wrap the 2 strands around the hook and pull through that loop that I pulled through part way to make a lark's head knot, and pull it down and secure it. Now, if I turn the head around and go the other direction, move over one. So now the hook's pointing downwards in comparison to how the head is. Do the same thing, fold the yarn in half, loop it over the hook, pull through a little ways, yarn over the 2 strands, and pull through and secure. The hair lays a different direction now. And you see that there? This one goes down the way we want it to, but this one goes up, which is where you would be changing your orientation of your hook if you were going to fill in this head here, so that the hairs would lay the way that you want them to. See, it's not going to lay flush. It's going to stick out when you do it that direction. So just keep that in mind. If you don't like the direction your hair's laying, try turning the hook the other direction. When you're putting your hook in, because I've already stuffed this head, obviously, you want to just get it, you want to get behind the stitches, but not down into the stuffing. Okay? Yes, I know this one's going in upside down again. I just want to show you a couple tricks here. When you pull through, twist just enough, but not so far that you end up getting stuffing. Yarn over and pull it through. Alright, and then when you get all your hairs in, you can trim them to where you want them to be, as long or as short as you need. Yes, it would take lots of strands of hair to finish this guy. And that is how you use crochet hook and a lark's head knot to apply hair to your stuffed creation.